By now, many of us have heard what the Prime Minister said, but how is this going to be decoded? Within India, outside India, in China and internationally. Sushant Sareen, I'm keen on knowing your interpretation of what the message that Prime Minister Modi was seeking to send when he spoke to the soldiers in Leh. What's your interpretation?
I think it was very clear to me that what he has done is that he has drawn the Lakshman Rekha, so to speak.
What is the Lakshman Rekha?
I think the Lakshman Rekha is that we are not going to be pushed by the Chinese. Enough is enough. This nibbling of territory, this salami slicing approach, it's been done to death.
But why has it taken him 60 days to draw this Lakshman Rekha?
Look, Rahul, it takes you a time before you actually start digging in your heels. It's not as though the Indian army was in the retreat until then and suddenly the Prime Minister has decided to draw the Lakshman Rekha. The Lakshman Rekha had been drawn 60 days back itself, which is why you had Galwan, which is why you had a lot of these standoffs, which is why you've had these, the kind of mobilization which you are seeing out there. This happened because you had drawn the Lakshman Rekha, only it wasn't announced as the Lakshman Rekha at that point of time. But I think the message to the army back then, to the commanders, was very clear that you are not going to back down, you are not going to give in to the Chinese intimidation, the Chinese bullying, which is why, you had the kind of array of forces arrayed against the Chinese. So I don't think there's any doubt on that count. But the important thing is that one, he has now given a message to the Chinese that, listen, if you think we guys are going to back down because of some stupid thing which the Global Times writes or because somebody makes some noise elsewhere, sorry, that's not going to happen.
No, but if I flip that, if I inverse that,
we want to...
Well, one second. If I inverse that and say that just because the Prime Minister has made the kind of rousing speech that he has, if we think that the PLA and the CCP will change their game plan and start pulling their tanks and their artillery and their infantry back because Prime Minister Modi went to Leh, then that also wouldn't be the right assumption.
I agree with you. I agree with you that I don't think the Chinese are going to start, literally withdrawing simply because they've heard a rousing speech from the Indian Prime Minister. Certainly not. That's not my case. But I think what the indication from the Indian side is that, okay, fine, if you want this for the long haul, then here we are for the long haul. If you think we are going to back down because you can do this to some of your smaller neighbors and they invariably back down, and you can name the neighbors, and I don't want to do it out here right now, I don't think the same thing will wash down India's throat. So I think that messaging is very clear. Now, does this mean that, for example, in the Pangong area, what we claim as the LAC and what the Chinese claim, there is an interpretation difference and the Chinese have changed the status quo? Do we accept it right now? I don't know what the thinking in the government of India is. But I think beyond the military situation, a very important signal which has gone to the Chinese is that, look, this relationship is broken. Mr. Modi had invested a lot in this relationship right from the time when he came to office. He went out of his way to reach out to the Chinese, to make friends with Xi Jinping, to do many things with the Chinese. The Chinese have reciprocated with the typical petty, stupid, bloody-mindedness which they display to even a small country like Nepal or Bhutan. So the Prime Minister of India, I think, has suddenly lost it with the Chinese, and this relationship is broken. So even if you don't have a shooting match right now, I think the relationship with China is not going back to normal.
Okay.
And if the Chinese want a modicum of normalcy in this relationship, they will have to do the heavy lifting because they are the ones who have broken this relationship with their stupidity.
Once you lose trust, then that... Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.